Welcome back to our channel, and my name is Olivia and I'm 9 years old.
My name is Amir and I'm 6 years old.
And today we're gonna be making slime. And today we're gonna be using a bowl. And what is this? Tide. And we actually got contact solution too. And actually I made slime like I forget what day it was, but it was like 2 days ago, I think.
Yeah.
And this is the slime that I made, but I didn't put it on YouTube. But this is actually the slime that I made.
Yeah. But we're going to be using
Glitter, and this is pink,
silver,
blue,
turquoise,
and purple. And we also got paint to color it.
Yeah, so we can stir it up and make it turn into a color.
And hold on, guys. I have to go get us some plastic spoons, a knife, or something.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But we got shaving cream and we got contact solution. And my sister made slime like 2 days ago, but you can see that's really sticky. And it won't get off of me because...
Hey guys, back with some 2 spoons so we can stare together.
Livy, can you get this off of me?
Okay. All you do is have to go like this.
Sorry guys.
So we can get started right now. So first you have to pour in the glue into this bowl.
Oh, it is pretty.
Kind of. Yeah. I only poured half of it in. And then you can if you want, you can add the shaving cream next. Ugh. Whoa, it's like foamy on the top.
It's gonna get dirty, but it don't matter because our hands is kind of dirty anyway.
Cause you always outside, and then we can stare it.
Yeah, stare, my bouquet.
Don't stare.
Okay. You can see that it looks like marshmallows.
Marshmallows, marshmallows. Now let's scoop it off our spoons. Actually, it looks like whipped cream.
Yeah, and marshmallows.
And notice we're all dressed up because today we were at school and it was picture day today.
Yeah.
So
you can see my sister looks fancy and there's
fancy.
The slime is sticking on you.
It's hard to get it off your spoon.
Just leave it like this. And just hold it.
Okay, then we sit. Oh my god. Then we sit our stuff down, and we can add like the glitter next.
What one do you want?
We're gonna use silver now.
And turquoise.
Yeah.
Turquoise. I don't see it coming out. Oh, no, I do. Let me do it.
Okay. We got it on our hands too. Okay, now we get our spoons. And we should use pink. Actually, we're gonna use green
This time.
because green needs to be like good. Like green is slime color, so I'm gonna go like, don't stare with the bottom. He's staring with the bottom. We're just putting the pink in the bottom. Actually, that's not showing up too well.
So guys,
We need to add more.
And I'm gonna add glitter.
No more glitter.
Okay.
He likes glitter. Well, he doesn't like glitter. He just wants to add like a lot of glitter. Make it
Sparkly.
You don't.
because blue, turquoise is like a blue.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna open this so we don't have to open it later. Right, sister?
Yeah.
So it might take me like 2 minutes. Done.
Seriously.
With all this shit that they done had and all this stuff
Got
like that.
It feels like it's already like coming together.
Yeah. And next,
No, we're not gonna add Tide today. We're like making two.
Uh-huh.
The only why we're using contact solution first, cause my cousins made slime. They didn't put it on YouTube, but my cousin made slime, and the contact solution didn't work so well. So we're like doing half. But you feel like I just poured the glue in it, and then it started coming together. I don't know why.
yeah, and here's the contact solution. It might not look like contact solution, but we got it from
Completely, like, we don't have no
Family
funds in the house,
Dollar.
right? We got rid of that one. Listen, what's here? After they left, we had
It's like
Hold on,
chicken.
I'm gonna get you.
like pack up all
What
our
do you
clothes
call
and stuff,
Family
everything. We shook them
and
out, dried them
Dollar?
along with, packed up.
Family
And
Dollar.
Just
And we had to
kidding.
set the ball.
It's just chicken. We're not that funny at jokes. So,
What do you call a doll with
and then we add some contact solution. So now,
still a book?
oh my gosh, it's already coming together.
That was my spoon.
Sorry.
Look, it's you.
He gets so sensitive. He uses.
I'll share what you're doing.
No, we're both there. Is it coming together
By
already?
contact solution.
I think it's coming together already.
Yeah, me too. It's not really colorful. You think we should add more?
Yeah, exactly.
Green?
So all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
It's not really coming like that.
Together.
Two couches and everything.
Get the contact solution back
I
out.
kept the plastic
Why would you put it
on
away?
all of the mattresses.
I want to do it this time.
No.
So, you know, but, you still got pillows and stuff like that.
I didn't even get to do it.
And them shits is the
I
toughest.
don't care.
That's just the toughest thing.
I'm just kidding, guys. Stop it. For you mess it up. Trying to mess our slime up.
Soon we're going to go in with our hands. After more contact solution.
Yeah.
And all they did was clean out the house. We didn't exterminate, so them shits.
Stop.
It's like stuck to my hand trying to get it out.
High
five. Together, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Have you ever
High
watched?
five.
Have you ever watched the Emoji Movie yet?
Yes. So
It's good, but not that good. Like the Emoji Movie, no excitement to it or nothing.
but if it was a sight to you, comment down below. But if it wasn't,
Yeah, make sure you turn on our post notifications, comment down below, and give us a thumbs up if you like it.
and next we're gonna do a game.
We're not gonna do a game.
Okay, I'll be right back.
No, and then after that, that's when when we started saying it, whatever, then I made it that she got some money.
He thought he snapped himself back. Did he go play his PS4? I don't know. You just left that alone.
I tell you what though, the contact solution don't make it like this, like it do for like the Tide do, right?
I'm talking to my mom right now. The slime that I showed you, I used the Tide for that. And the contact solution doesn't work that good, so I'll call this like a fail. Like a fail. Fail, yeah, fail. This is a fail. This one's a fail. Can't do this. See, look how it is. Next, my mom wants to make like a giant gummy, so that's coming up. And we post on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Just kidding. We don't post on those days. We're like new YouTubers. This is like our second video that we made, so we're not full YouTubers yet. But it's probably gonna be like whenever we figure out what days we're gonna start posting and stuff. Cool videos.
No.
But we should be coming up with like the blender challenge. The like you combine food, and then you put them in the blender when you get the number.
My oldest is about to be 18 on the 18th.
Some might be good, some might be bad. That game, yeah, that should be coming up. I don't know when, but this doesn't combine like the Tide, so I'm gonna add the Tide. Guys, I'm gonna add the Tide. This not working, the contact solution. I don't like the contact solution when I use it. Some people it works for the contact solution, but the Tide works for us.
So he said he'd rather just concentrate on school. He only got 4 credits left before he graduates. Yeah, he's still going to school. He got more